Beshies, I think this is the biggest Chanel haul that I ever did. And of course, I want to unbox these with you, so let's go! Hello Beshies! Welcome back, and if you are new here, hello! My name is Martha, also known as the Beauty Junkie, and I mainly vlog about beauty, fashion, but mostly on the luxury and leather goods side of things, food, and also a bit of travel. Now, if you're into any of these things, please consider subscribing to my channel because I have a lot of upcoming videos that I'm sure you'll be very interested in. A bit of a disclaimer, two out of the 5 items here I purchased last year. I've been meaning to unbox them, but I just didn't get the time. I got so busy last year. Plus, I had a lot of personal matters to attend to last year, and those things really took up my time. I just thought I'd bundle all my Chanel purchases. I'll start with the oldest Chanel items that I bought. So it's these two. Starting with this one, I got this in June of 2023, my birthday. Oh, diba? Sabi sa inyo ang tagal na niya. So, I got this in Osaka. I went there for my birthday with my husband. It was my first time in Osaka, and to commemorate my first ever visit to Osaka, I thought of buying something for me to remember that trip by. So, there was Chanel along Midosuji Boulevard, and I decided to get this. Sakto kasi I was looking for a pair of white shades. I don't have white shades in my collection. Super okay siya. And this turned out to be my favorite because it's very ergonomic, it's lightweight, and it just suits almost all of the things that I wear. Okay, unbox natin ito. It has a kilted pattern, reminiscent of the classic flap. Tapos meron lang siyang small C on this side. Ito yung shades. Tcharam! It's a pair of Wayfarers. I love this. It is so lightweight and it's so cool, casual but classy because as you can see, yung sides niya has parang pearl attachments. Well, they're not made from real pearl. And it has a discreet Chanel logo over there. It's just a small CC logo. This ended up becoming one of my favorite luxury purchases of 2023 because ang ganda presyo. Ang lightweight. You know, Wayfarers usually look, bad on my face because they make my face look bigger. But for some reason, this one, not so much. The next one is this, and I had it sourced by my trusted personal shopper, si Labrea. So I will put Cristel's Instagram account here. Yung story nito is, I was browsing the internet one time, and I just, decided to check out what's new with Chanel. This thing popped out, and I'm like, oh my god, I love it. It's so simple, black with splashes of color. And this one, I think the reason why she ordered it online is because it's very hard to find in store. I asked friends who were in Japan and Hong Kong in the time that I saw this. Talagang they couldn't find it. But this one, it just came like this, and it just came with a camellia. So, tapos, kaya pala meron siyang ganito. So, this is like an invoice, and yeah, something that you will see in online packages. And also, Chanel was kind enough to send a sample. It came pa in a very reusable pouch. And the sample is a Le Lion fragrance from the Les Exclusifs line. So anyway, where were we? Dito pala, sa sunglasses. So when I saw these sunglasses, I'm like, oh my god, I have to have it. And Tel, using her powers, was able to source it for me. So eto na siya. Normally, the logo will only come in, so yung silver, yung gold, light gold, which is the case with my other pair of sunglasses. But this one is in neon pink because this is limited edition. So yan, so meron siyang mga pamphlets underneath. The other pair of Chanel shades also comes with, those thick booklets. Oh, I'm so happy. This pair is... Tada! It's a black pair of Chanel shades. It looks, very basic, but if you open it, tada! Oh, it's so cute! So this is from the Chanel Disco Funk collection. It's so classy, okay, and it's wider. It makes my face considerably smaller. Ayan siya, besh. Like, oh, diba? May pa-colorful. Oh, ayan. Basic lang. Very classy lang on this side. Pero pag gumilid ka, ay, may something fun. Okay, I finally got those two out of the way. My oldest Chanel purchases. Now, let's go to my latest, which I got around the first week of February when I went to Tokyo for the Eras tour. Alright, so I bought 3 Chanel items in my last trip. So one is from Chanel Fragrance, Chanel Beauty, and the last 2 are from Chanel, the Chanel Boutique, Fashion Boutique. So start tayo kay Beauty. Now, because of that Lilayan perfume sample that came with this pair, I decided that I wanted to add a Lay exclusive perfume to my collection. I actually did a bit of research and thought, based on the description of the fragrances, that I would go for Jersey or Boy. But when I tried it in store, I ended up liking this more. Oh my god. 75 ml. The other one is 200 ml ata. It's too big. Ang bango nito. It perfectly paints a picture of a Chanel girly. A true blue Chanel girly. Like a girl who's a fan of Chanel, and she's genuinely a supporter of the brand because she loves the aesthetic, the style, the story. And this perfume, you can smell it at the Beige by Alain Ducasse restaurant at Chanel Ginza. It's like they spray it all over. When you go to the bathroom, before you get inside the bathroom, you will see like this powder area with a big mirror, and there is a huge Chanel beige perfume in the middle for retouching, for trial, because the restaurant is called Beige. Charan! Beige! Oh my god, ang bango nito. I also think the reason why I went for this is because it has the same vibe as Coco Mademoiselle and Chanel Chance. This one is a bit classier, more refined, and mas polished siya versus Chance and Mademoiselle. Kumbaga, if Mademoiselle is for date nights, this one is for special events, mga ganon. But, you know, don't be afraid because it's not super heavy. You can wear it naman, you know, anytime. Before going to Japan, I only had the Chanel perfume in mind. I told myself I will only buy that perfume. But, you know, promises are meant to be broken. So, aside from the perfume, I also picked up 3 more items from Chanel. Just mio. Okay, so yung first one is the Chanel blush in the shade Pink Explosion. This is one of their popular shades. Okay, so ito siya, Pink Explosion. Ayan, I think this is one of their older shades. Next, just for the heck of it, I decided to buy Lay Ombre Multi-Effect Quadra Eyeshadow. So the shade 274 Codes Elegance. So I really enjoyed using my Charlotte Tilbury because it's smaller, it's buttery. Now that's the thing with luxury eyeshadows. They are very buttery and very easy to work with because, of course, they only use the highest quality pigments. So that's why I decided to get Chanel because it has that quality as well, except that this is much more natural, also pigmented. So ito siya. So it's just dark brown and gold and a champagne color. And last but not the least is this lipstick that I really want to get. So ayan siya. So this is the liquid lipstick and this is a seal. So it acts like a seal. Alright, so yung next naman natin. Okay, wala na sa beauty. So these are just samples na lang. We have N5. Ano pa ba? Sublimage Gel to Oil Cleanser. And some Lilith Creme samples. An essence. So yun na. Okay, second to the last tayo. So this one, I have been meaning to buy this also for the longest time. And from the get-go, this is a wallet. I've always wanted to change na my wallet. My wallet is a Prada wallet. I've had it since 2019. It's still okay, pero it looks kind of scrawny na. I don't know, it's just an energy thing. I just want to change my wallet for the new year. Plus, wala lang, I just want a new wallet. I'm actually not expecting that I will get this. I was at Nihonbashi one time, so I was just vlogging and I was walking past Mitsukoshi. And then when I turned to my right, I saw that there is a huge boutique by the street, Chanel Boutique. So I decided to check it out because there was no line anyway. And that's, you know, a rare occurrence for Chanel in Japan because yung Namiki Dori branch, the Ginza branch, they always have lines, even yung sa Omotesando. So I asked, by any chance, do you have a wallet? Any wallet? And then she said, okay, let me check. She went to the back room and then she came out with a tray. She came out with 3 wallets. So sabi ko, I wanted a black wallet, something compact. One is kind of long and then there are 2 compact wallets. And oh my god, Bish, yung compact wallet is the exact wallet that I've always wanted to buy. But I just couldn't pull the trigger with resellers and personal shoppers because yung patong talaga nila is at least 15 to 20k ba? I cannot. I wasn't expecting it, but I got it! Oh my god! So this one pa came in 2 leather variations. There's caviar and lambskin. Of course, I got caviar and it's the last piece. After like what? How many years? I finally have this wallet. I'm so excited. 2024 is off to a good start. Just swerte yan. Okay, let's open it. It's my first Chanel leather goods and I'm looking at buying a card holder in the near future. But anyway, ayan na siya. So it comes in this velour pouch. Ito siya. Oh my god, I love that leather smell. Charan! Oh my god, it's so cute! I don't know the style, but it's a Chanel wallet. As you can see, so this wallet is popular because it has this really cute coin purse here, which is very spacious. And on the side is yung wallet. It's a compact wallet. Oh my gosh. I really want a small wallet for my flap para kasya siya. Tapos agad yung mukha siyang tiny classic flap. Super happy ko lang talaga na nakuha ko tong wallet na to. Silver pa siya. It's the same color as the hardware of my classic flap. Last but not the least is this one. No, this is not a bag. It's a pair of shoes. If you're wondering why it's white when the Rue Cambon branch is the only branch in the world that gives out a white paper bag and everyone else offers black, it's because the Chanel Ginza branch paper bag comes in this limited edition color. So it's all white and it has parang mga tweed linings on the side. And there is this huge camellia in the middle and at the back of the part with the logo. That comes in a tweed print. So yun yung signature print and flower ni Chanel. This is a great alternative to the Chanel ballet flats, which I also want to get. I have tried that twice already, but I have finally realized that no, it doesn't really fit me. Because yung 39.5, okay naman siya, pero when I walk with it, it feels so weird. It's like, you know, dragging my heel. Na feeling ko, eventually, if I wear it for hours, it's gonna tire me out or piss me off eventually. Ganun siya. It doesn't suit my feet, that's all. I have very wide feet, mga besh. So, I decided to try on this one because, sabi ko, mukha naman siyang flats except that it just has some heel. Well, yung heel naman is manageable. It's like mga 2 inches plus it's thick pa, so it's very comfortable. Plus, it fits me, okay? It fits me well. Plus, sobrang classy. Sobrang classy niya. Alternative for the flats. This will be my work shoe, meeting shoe, workshop shoe, or like, you know, semi-formal shoes. So, tanggalin na natin ite. Unbox ko ulit mamaya itong mga to. Ayan. So, eto siya. We have here the Chanel dust bags. Shoe bags. Ayan. Pamphlets, instructions manual. Eto na yung shoes. So I got myself the Chanel slingback flats, but with the wedge. Ayan, bish! I'm so happy. I know the popular one is yung slingback na flat. However, I've read a lot of mixed reviews with that. Sabi nila, parang really have to try it on before you buy it. Well, I wasn't able to try it on because there was no size for me. But then I figured it's kind of flat for my feet. Yung feet ko kasi may medium arch, and if I'm wearing incorrect shoes or if it's too flat, my feet tend to hurt. See, nakuha ko pa yung exact color that I want, the most popular color because it's so versatile. Yung black cap toe, tapos beige. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so lucky that day. I did not get a bag, but I was lucky with everything else because the other Chanel stuff that I wanted to get, I got them. Cute. Size 40 ako, mga besh. Laki ng pa ako. Cute niya lang. Meron siya nung Chanel logo there. And you know naman, luxury shoes, they tend to run small. Ayan, sa Hermes 40 din ako, tapos sa Chanel 40 din. Yun lang, beshies, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the items that I bought, please feel free to comment. And if you want me to review any of these after some time, let me know so I can take note. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for future cool videos like this. And don't forget to follow my social media accounts. Visit my blog. Follow me on TikTok. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Beshi!